Hi, guys. What is popular is not always right, and what is right is not always popular. I want to commend all the leaders who have had the courage to stand up against this march on march crap that's going on, that is going to get a lot of people into trouble for absolutely nothing. We as a nation, we agree we're in a bad space, we're unemployed, drugs are running amok. But turning on each other as Africans is not going to solve the problem. So I commend all the leaders who have stood up and said this is wrong. I want to reiterate what Minister Gayton Mackenzie said, that when you get arrested, everybody who's incited you for their own personal gains will be nowhere to be found. As somebody who's been in the same position, I just want to tell you they will be nowhere to be found. You'll be held accountable alone. Your legal bills you will face alone. Your jail term you will face alone. So I just want to warn you against these protests and how you behave, and to say that you have no control over the opportunistic criminal elements that can happen that day. So I think there is wisdom in how you move about the 30th of June. Please, guys. And I just want to shun the politicians who have used the situation for political gain. You are disgusting and you've got no moral standing. Sisra.
Hello, hi. Let's see at work over here. Guys, why is it so difficult for people who are intelligent, people who are educated, to leave us alone? Stop advising us. How dare you wake up and advise someone who is not intelligent? How dare you wake up and advise someone who is uneducated? I'm not going to listen to you because I am not intelligent like you. Educated people, leave us alone. Leave us alone. Hebo, every day someone must wake up and tell us how stupid we are. Someone must wake up and tell us, no, we are busy entertaining people, and these people, they have agendas. We want the agenda. The reason why we are here is because we heard about the agenda and we want the agenda. Allow us to be agendafied. Hebo, every day, someone intelligent. You are wasting your time. You trying to tell me that this match and match thing, it is horrible. It's a terrible idea. This match and match thing, it is not good. This match and match, you are wasting your time. You are talking to me, someone who is stupid. I'm not gonna listen to you because I'm not intelligent. Guys, leave us alone. Hebo, it's this is so funny because we people who are uneducated, we are not even out here seeking your support or anything. No, we don't even care that you exist and you are intelligent. We don't care. We are following people who have agendas. Let us identify us. We want that. That's what we want. So stop telling us, guys. Now I'm like, what? These educated people. So they are not educated enough to know that telling someone who is not intelligent something every day, someone is waking up to tell us that, hey, this is wrong. You are wasting your time. Can we have intelligent people who are intelligent enough to know that these people, they must be left alone? These people, they must do whatever they think it is right for them. Akere ke rona who gonna see ish when ish hits the fan. You people will be there living nice. We are protecting whatever that we believe we are protecting le rona. Because if these people, they had the power to go and hijack buildings, ba hijack the buildings ko bo Joburg kwa. What makes you think these people, they will not bring their families more and come and take the RDP? Motho a tsene mo a re, hey, out, this is my house now. Ke tswe le ngwana ba re latlhele ko ntle kwa le ngwana. Huh? O go tabogela kae? You will now run where? To the police. The police ba tla go fa eng up and down, up and down. Kante ke eng pampiri e fitlhile. O go ya kae? O re o ya kae? O re o ya ko di-housing. Housing ba reng up and down, up and down. Kante pampiri e fitlhile. Wena a una pampiri. Wa bua mara batho ga ba go utlwe. Batho ga ba go utlwe. So le rona, allow us to protect whatever. We don't know what we are protecting, but we are protecting whatever. Leave us alone. Educated people, leave us alone. Intelligent people, tswa mo rona man. Rona re enjoy bo stupid ba rona mos. Man, leave us alone. Jesus, a re tla utlwa ke lona man.